guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be sharing this butterfly tiger prawns recipe. So crunchy, yummy and delicious. If this is something you like, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So after we get our prawns, the first step we're going to wash them, take out the heads and take out all the shells and butterfly them. To butterfly them, all we have to do is to take out their digestive tracts and their nerves. When we remove the shells of the prawn, we have to try to leave the tails intact. This will help when we're frying it. So we're going to measure our flour. We're going to put in salt, Maggi, garlic powder, ginger powder, and chili pepper. I love my prawns to be very spicy, so I'm going to add a lot of chili pepper, and we're going to add curry. After that, we're just going to mix up all our dry ingredients, and then we're going to add 2 eggs. So after mixing it up, we're then going to add our water in gradually till we get the right consistency, so that it's easy for us to coat our prawns with our batter. So we just want it to be thick. Put our prawns in. Put your prawns in to coat them properly. This is the reason why I said we needed to leave the tails, so that it can give you something to hold while you coat your prawns. After that, we're going to coat it in our breadcrumbs. If you don't have breadcrumbs at home, It's very easy to make breadcrumbs. All you need to do is dry them in the microwave and blend them or smoothen them out. Because we're using tiger prawns, you don't want your oil to be too hot, or else it's not going to end up getting cooked evenly inside. And let it cook for some time. It's not something that is going to cook in a minute or two. So let it take its time to cook, and then we're going to flip it over and let the other side cook properly as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.